In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Xero certification, whether you're here to update your skills or ensure your certifications are current, to maintain your professional status. This guide has got you covered. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right in. Starting with the basics, head over to Xero Central. This is your gateway to a multitude of resources, including the certification renewal process. It's quite straightforward. Just open your favorite web browser, type in the Xero Central URL provided in the video description, and you'll land right where you need to be. Once you've arrived at Xero Central, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button and click on it. You'll need to enter your account details here. That's your email and password associated with your Xero account. If by any chance you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it, ensuring you're not locked out of the process. After logging in, you will need to navigate to the Learning section. Consider this your hub for all things education within Xero. It's packed with courses, webinars, and updates to help you stay at the top of your game. Finding the Learning tab shouldn't be too hard. It's typically located in the top menu or within a clearly marked section on the dashboard. Once in the Learning section, take a moment to scroll down and browse through the available courses. Xero regularly updates this section with fresh content, so it's always worth checking out what's new, or if there are any additional courses that might be beneficial to your career or business. Now for the main event, renewing your certification. Look for a course titled Maintain Your Xero Advisor Certification in 2024. This is the specific course you'll need to complete to renew your certification. It will be clearly marked, making it easy to identify. Click on it to get started. Inside the course, you'll find all the instructions you need to successfully renew your certification. There's a combination of videos, reading materials, and quizzes designed to both test and reinforce your knowledge. The course is structured to be engaging and informative, ensuring you stay updated on the latest features and best practices within Xero. Here's an expert tip. While studying, keep a notepad or digital document handy to jot down any important points or areas you might want to revisit. This will not only help reinforce your learning, but also provide you with quick reference notes for the future. Finally, the most crucial step, completing and passing the course. This might seem a bit daunting, but remember, the aim here is to ensure you're well equipped with the latest knowledge and skills necessary for effective use of Xero. Take your time with the quizzes, and revisit any sections of the course material if you're unsure about anything. Successfully passing the course will automatically update your certification status, keeping you officially recognized as a Xero certified advisor. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to renewing your Xero certification. Remember, maintaining your certification is key to showcasing your expertise and dedication as a professional in the world of accounting and bookkeeping. It's not just about having a certificate. It's about staying informed, competent, and ready to offer the best services to your clients or employers. So, take a deep breath, start the course, and you're well on your way to remaining a certified Xero advisor. Don't hesitate to revisit any section of this video if you need a refresher on any of the steps. Best of luck with your certification renewal, and here's to your continued success in the world of accounting and finance.